Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City. Daily FX market news.
October 27th, 11 o'clock America New York. Euro USD pulls back. DAX pushes breakout after ECB's 75 BP hike. The ECB hiked rates by 75 basis points this morning, and that brought a pullback to Euro USD's bullish push, but also set up a breakout in the DAX from a longer-term formation.
Daily FX market news.
October 27th, 10:30 America New York. ETH, USD outlook. Ethereum prices slip after double-digit gains. Ethereum prices have risen approximately 14% this week, driving prices to a firm barrier of technical resistance. Can ETH, USD bulls continue to drive prices higher?
New York Times Business.
October 27th, 10:23 America New York. Chip makers, once in high demand, confront sudden challenges. Demand for semiconductors was off the charts last year, but a sharp slowdown coupled with new U.S. restrictions against China have created obstacles. A Micron plant.
New York Times Business.
October 27th, 10:16 America New York. McDonald's Q3 earnings. Higher prices helped lift U.S. sales. The fast food chain is the latest in a number of companies that have managed to increase prices without seeing a drop in demand. McDonald's results followed a batch of positive earnings reports from companies that have managed to raise prices without seeing a drop in demand.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 27th, 9 o'clock America New York. Austin builders couldn't finish homes fast enough. Now their product is piling up. The pandemic-induced buying frenzy has cooled significantly, leaving new luxury homes to linger on the market.
BBC News Business.
October 27th, 8:43 America New York. U.S. economy resilient despite rising prices. News of better-than-expected growth comes weeks before the midterm elections.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 27th, 8:42 America New York. Jobless claims rose slightly last week. U.S. worker filings for jobless benefits, a proxy for layoffs, increased by 3,000 to 217,000, but remained near historically low levels.
Daily FX market news.
October 27th, 8:40 America New York. U.S. economy grows by 2.6% in third quarter, but GDP data may overstate strength. The U.S. economy returned to growth in the third quarter, expanding at an annualized rate of 3.2%, well ahead of expectations calling for a 2.4% increase.
Global economy.
October 27th, 8:21 America New York. ECB raises benchmark rate by 0.75 percentage points to 1.5%. Rate rise comes amid criticism from political leaders that tighter monetary policy risks destroying growth.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 27th, 8:20 America New York. ECB raises rates by 0.75 point to highest in more than a decade. The European Central Bank raised interest rates by 0.75 percentage point for the second time in a row, moving briskly to quash record inflation even as the Eurozone teeters close to recession.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
October 27th, 8 o'clock America New York. California's Laffer curve. Joshua Rao, an economist at Stanford University and a senior fellow with the Hoover Institution, has co-authored an important study of the effects on revenues of a major increase in marginal tax rates in California.
Global economy.
October 27th, 7:50 America New York. Unilever reports record 12.5% quarterly price increase. Consumer Goods Group passes cost inflation onto customers and flags declining sales.
New York Times Business.
October 27th, 7:37 America New York. Shell reports earnings of $9.45 billion. The oil and gas giant said it had avoided Britain's windfall tax because of big capital expenditures in the North Sea. The London-based energy giant more than doubled the profit it made a year ago.
Marginal revolution.
October 27th, 7:28 America New York. Space race versus Seattle crawl. From Pushing the Needle. The post-space race versus Seattle crawl appeared first on Marginal Revolution. Related stories. PayPal Booth Age of Unpredictability. Russia's sentence of the day.
BBC News Business.
October 27th, 6:49 America New York. Lloyds predicts UK house prices will fall 8% next year. The UK's biggest mortgage lender says property prices will drop next year then stagnate for another 4.
BBC News Business.
October 27. 5:56 America New York. Rail fare dodging fine to jump by £80 in England. The Department for Transport said penalty fares on the railways will rise from £20 to £100 in January.
Global economy, October 27. 5:45 America New York. How to make the UK's budget maths add up. Spending cuts are far from the only option.
Finance and Economics, October 27. 5:44 America New York. The surprising maturity of the crypto rave crowd. Spicy mezcalitas, tasteful music, discussions of decentralized autonomous organizations. What's not to like?